if you are seeking the Lord, you will be tempted. You will be trialed by Satan. And the Lord will allow it to a certain degree. But don't think by coming to the Lord Jesus, everything is going to be smooth. All problems are going to be solved. No, if you're thinking this way, you're mistaken. You see, when you come to the Lord Jesus, He may not change your situation, but definitely one thing He will do, He will change you. You see, if the Lord changed every situation that you went through, He has done you no favor. Why? Because you never grew. You never grew in your spirituality. You never grew in wisdom. You never grew in strength. He just fixed the situation, and you didn't go through the hard labor in order to become a man. You remained that little weak baby in your spiritual life and in your Christian life. So when you ask the Lord to fix a situation, He may and or may not change it, but definitely He will change you to make you stronger. Next time a problem comes, you can withstand it and overcome it. Now this is absolute beauty, because the Lord wants you to Him, and the only way He's gonna get you to Him when He makes you grow and become a man, not a kindergarten baby. Stop crying for yourself. Get up, dust it off, and be a man, even though you're a woman and you don't need to be an LGBTQRSTUYZ. Be strong. The Lord will change you. The Lord will change you.